The 2013 Essential Services Act defined an essential employee as one that performs work involving the safety of human life and the protection of property. This is mostly confined to areas such as healthcare, law enforcement, and emergency personnel. But that definition is expanding and continuing to expand during the COVID-19 breakout to include other such industries and positions. The banking industry has emerged to keep people solvent during lockdowns and layoffs. People in the food and agricultural business are helping keep us fed, and the energy industry bears the role of keeping homes lit, trucks moving, and providing electricity to the internet while everyone is working from home. Is it not in a company's interest to find ways to move employees from at-risk jobs into more essential ones that are currently unfulfilled? Examine skill sets you might find at your bank. A teller, which might not necessarily be an essential skill set and also at risk, could be transferred over to a call center employee who's now been deemed as an essential employee. And in larger conglomerates, such as a holding company that might own more than one company, it could be possible to move employees from one company where there are not essential positions to another that actually has many essential positions, therefore saving another layoff. There are many advantages to keeping more essential employees on payroll by reallocating. First off, government assistance may be larger and more attainable based on the number of essential employees a company has. And although reallocating people may require additional skills training, the company won't have to train on company processes or provide any onboarding. And finally, if you're looking forward to when this whole outbreak and recession are behind us, companies who took care of their people will be recognized and in the press. Among the best tools to help with reallocation is a workforce planning application. This type of software will allow a company to view essential openings and at-risk positions side by side, along with compensation information and job requirements, such as whether the position can be done remotely. Also, as with the trend data offering, companies can generate predictive forecasts as to how many more essential openings are coming and what will be the best way to staff them. Then there is the larger picture. Your employees are also your customers and friends of your customers. In 1914, Henry Ford's finance team thought he was nuts to pay his factory workers $5 a day, twice the going wage for that type of work at the time. But he wanted his employees to afford cars, and soon his competitors and other industries had to match his wage, and car ownership went from being a thing of the rich to a must-have for the new middle class. So think beyond tomorrow when contemplating layoffs and putting people out of work. Thanks for listening.